A girl and me say girl you have clothes down and me tell them say walk up in the video and pose down. Sweet Youth TV, you know what time it is, it's the boy Mr. Lex. Swag down, dig it!
Alright, can I give thanks more life and blessings to the man from my farm. A million words with a million thoughts. In a me diamond socks and me well a big clocks. More life, more blessings. Straight Youth. Salute.
Yo, you don't know it's Mataran. Street Youth TV. I mean them a mark. I don't know why. Them afraid of me. You see it too. Bless it. This is Megaman. You're into the Street Youth TV. Make sure you keep on watching. Don't even move your eyelid then. Keep focused.
Street Youth TV. Yeah man, I wear them a pre. We keep it cut up. Yeah man. Up up, down up. Street we say. That's the thing there, you hear? Yeah man, mad as usual. Never switch, never change and never rearrange. Mad.
Yo. Big up Street Youth TV. So watch you now. Viewers and subscribers from scratch. That's them can see how me do it and what me I do. So me I say. So like, share and subscribe to the Street Youth TV. Street Youth, beat youth, beat them like a beetroot. You overs? So let's get into this. Potato pudding. Start from a coconut. So roll out my sweet potato then. Send the sweet potato. Roll them out. I have a piece of yam. I'm going to add to the thing. Because of the body. Part of the body. Alright. So. I don't even know what I do with my scraper as usual. So. Long before scraper. Find the scraper the start. So yellow yam this, so I can see what they go and feed, see if it's good because I want to yellow yam. Josh. So, provision. So guess what? I don't know the greater thing today. I don't have the energy left to do now for my greater thing. So I blend that I do the thing. So now for my greater in today. easy. Some yam. I cocoa this. Cocoa. Everything cocoa. Cocoa so. Cocoa. Everything cocoa. And so she's gone to jail, but nothing of us so. I feel like I eat this, not true. That good. Put them in a ziploc bag and put them in a that good. Yeah. No greater than run. A blender they run. Blender a little, but it talawa. You go little and talawa. The blender ya. I know my brethren get it from, but yeah, that I go on. See it? Let them wash. straight. So, ingredients. This is just the potato, the piece of yam. Yeah. And the cocoa. Cocoa. So, this pan gonna be my dry ingredients pan, like my flour, my meal. I'm gonna only put flour on and sitting and going out now, just a little. Like, share, and subscribe. See this shit. Subscribe button up there. So I don't know if I'm a great time tonight. Let me tell you. My nutmeg. Not even that, I'm not great. Blender. Let's look for the pieces then. Alright. No great time tonight. I don't tell you already. Everything I blend. Sugar. Always hear me talk about no MG, no GMO, right? See that? No GMO. You see me? Organic, no GMO. And most of the things are not because of organic, I no GMO, honestly. Throw a little meal in this. Little salt. and go and work it in down. I know some people make them think of them put a bag of stuff in it, but yeah, see that? See the mixture there? The mixture look like. So stay tuned. Yeah. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, as you can see. Got grease upon them right now. Potato pudding with some olive oil, just a little olive oil. That I go on from what I go on, right? Right. Actually have 3 pan, the 2 use up because as you see what I want. So it's what I want right there, so this is it. Yeah, potato pudding. About to go and subscribe to the Street Youth TV. So people, welcome back. I think the pudding ready and finishing product. Right, that's how we are go. Oven, kitchen, Street Youth TV. Like, share and subscribe. Is it? Alright. I say a word. You see what they go on at the oven here. That I go on. See pudding them here. Pudding them here, peeps. This is with Jamaican potato pudding. You see me? Yeah, so we have two of them, two nice, lovely potato pudding. This is what it look like. Alright? Right. Here's another one right here. So what we're gonna do now? You know now, them have to cool the right way before we can cut them and them something there. But true, the viewers and subscribers, they want to see what they go on like right now and what it look like. You understand? Because you've been there from the start and now, the finishing product. So I think it's just right if you just bust them as hot as it is. Bust one of them as hot as it is. Make you see what they go on. You understand? But it's not nice to cut it now because it's too hot. You understand? Yeah. Viewers and subscribers, I'm here to tell you, put a shot, put nice now layer. I say I can't take out. It now I'm going to take out nice. I not lie. So I'm going to leave it alone. Just trying to make you see what's going on. Understand? Finish it, product. This is what it look like. Understand? So, that's how you deal with the Jamaican sweet potato pudding. I walk you through it. And the finished product. So, thank you for watching this video. And if you don't subscribe as yet, please see the subscribe button right up there. So just look right there so you see it. Just press it and subscribe if you don't subscribe as yet. Give the video a like. Share it with your friends and family. Thank you again. Street youth, do it youth, beat them like a beetroot. I'm out.